This is it. Finally here. By finally, I mean I ordered it on Thursday and it's here on Monday. So I grew up playing sax, but I haven't really played in 20 years. I had this old soprano laying around, but it's got a lot of leaks, doesn't play very well. So I decided to reach out to my friends at Sweetwater and get a rental over here. So this Yamaha YSS-475II just came, and I'm about to take my first look at it. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. So Sweetwater rates their instruments in 3 levels. So level 1 is brand new, and that's what this one is right now. So I'm really lucky to be the first player of this beautiful soprano. Grade 2 is like new, and then grade 3 is their standard used. So this is a pretty nice case. Let's see what else I got in here. We've got our standard literature, and we've got a mouthpiece. So let's see what they included here. All right, not terrible. I got my own mouthpiece I'll toss on there, but looks like it came with a Van Doren SL3 Optimum and a Rovner style ligature. I'm not exactly sure which one this is. So it actually varies by state, but Sweetwater has different sort of introductory periods. And in my state, the intro period's 4 months. So I only paid $40 to have this instrument, brand new instrument, for 4 months, which is absolutely incredible to me. Really gonna enjoy that time. I'm gonna restart some private lessons and then see if I wanna invest in a more expensive instrument, or who knows, maybe I'll end up purchasing this exact instrument from them. So definitely looking forward to have a great time. No real play demos for you today because I'm not that good. I'm just restarting again. I had 2 decades off, but definitely recommend the Sweetwater program. You know, I was trying to find one of these locally and I just couldn't. So Sweetwater saves the day again. No affiliation with them, just my own experience. When you do go through the checkout process for this, it lets you choose accessories. So mine did not come with cork grease or reeds because I already have those things. But definitely you can do whatever add-ons you want when you're in the checkout process. Highly recommended. Definitely am gonna have a lot of fun with this. Thanks for watching, guys.